Swamp walk. There's the swamp walk. Alright. There's a breeding marsh. Entrance to the jungle crocs. Vending machines if needed. Giant alligator. Now crocodiles. Giant alligator. Saltwater crocs.
Who's in there on the phone?
Cuban crocs.
It's on the toilet on the phone.
Premier filming location. Train station. So we can walk the trails all the way around the breeding swamp. Cool. Till we get to the train station. They've got giant tortoises. I wonder if they're Galapagos. They've got gator chow to feed the gators.
Oh, cool from that, right?